Hi, Mike Wilkinson, the Valley Sales Expert here once again, and this time with big mistake number 3. And this is one that I see happening all the time, and that is having product first rather than customer first conversations with your customer. In other words, going in with the solution, talking about the product or service you provide before you've had an opportunity to truly understand the things that the customer values and wants done. It's what Tony Alexandra calls prescription before diagnosis is malpractice. And it happens all the time. A solution is the answer to a problem. If you haven't understood what the problem is, you don't have a solution right now. So exploring with the customer the problems, the issues, the challenges, and the opportunities they face before you start to talk about you and your company is essential. So please don't make this big mistake. Your customers are not interested in your products and services. They are only interested in how they can help them to achieve the objectives and the outcomes that they are looking for. So I hope that's been helpful. I will see you for mistake number 4 tomorrow. In the meantime, please click on the subscribe button, visit the website at www.axiavalue.com and click on the link to download the full report, and have a great day. Speak to you soon.